Hi folks, welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete here in sunny Florida. We're down in Port Charlotte, Florida in a community called Maple Leaf Golf and Country Club. I spend the winters down here. I guess you'd call me a snowbird. Today we're going to do a little bit of cooking here. We're going to whip up some curry chicken lettuce wraps. Let's get cooking. You know, there's some great curry sauces out there. If you don't have time to follow my recipe, you can go to the grocery store and find some fantastic curries already made up. You can even find the chicken sliced up, the vegetables sliced up. If you're working and you're busy, this can also be a fast meal as well. I've got all my ingredients here all nicely diced up. We're going to start off with a tablespoon of olive oil in your pan. I've got it to a medium to a high heat. Next, our fine diced chicken. It's a full chicken breast, just nicely diced up. We got a sizzle going, that's a good thing. Make sure you get all that oil shared around with all that chicken. And I've put together a curry sauce. It's got 9 ingredients. You can find it if you go in the description box below. As with all my videos, you always find my recipes there. So I've got about a cupful here. I'm going to put half of it on, just to start flavoring that chicken before we get our veg on. I can smell the curry, it's beautiful. Give that a couple minutes, and then we'll get our veg on. Okay, the chicken's been in for about a minute. Next, I've got a half of a yellow pepper and a half of a red pepper. Sweet bell peppers. And then we got some finely diced onions, about a quarter of a red onion. Still want it a bit crunchy, because we're going to wrap these up. The smell is just beautiful. Now let's get some more sauce in there. 3 or 4 minutes on here. We'll make sure our chicken is cooked fully through and our veg still has a little bit of a crunch to it. Look at this. This is going to be so delicious. We're going to get our lettuce out now and make our wraps. Now for our wraps, you want to find a particular type of lettuce. This one here I found, it comes in a package like so, and it's called Bibb lettuce. It makes it easy. It kind of gives you a little cup that you can put all your ingredients inside before you roll it up. There's a couple other names out there. This one's a Bibb, there's a Butter, I also found a Boston. But as you can see, just clean them up and you can lay your ingredients inside and roll them up. It's going to be delicious. So we'll get a few pieces of chicken on here and then some veg. And I'm also going to top it with a little sauce that I whipped up. It's just a couple tablespoons of yogurt, some fresh squeezed lemon, a little bit of garlic powder, and then I put a finely diced couple little mint leaves. It's just going to be a beautiful topper for this. And then that's it. We're going to simply roll these up. Well folks, there's another simple and delicious recipe. My daughter Shay's down here in Florida visiting. Hi there. So I like to share the food. I hope you enjoy my videos. If you do, make sure you hit the red button and subscribe. You'll be notified every Monday when I shoot out another video. Our favorite time, we get to try the goods. Don't they look delicious?
Delicious.
Oh my.
Delicious.
I could eat 100 of these things. Folks, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time,
See ya.
see ya. Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete here in beautiful Florida. Down in Tbsb, Bow. Cut.
Thank you. We got lots coming up, so stick around, everyone.